Science fiction shows us the incredible potential of innovation. Sci-fi dares to defy what is possible. And NASA helps make it a reality.
NASA dares to make the impossible possible. That's only because the innovators, thinkers, and doers who are helping us imagine and prepare for the future of our space exploration are the wizards working on this NIAC program.
The NASA Innovative Advanced Concepts Program enables innovators across the country to test the concepts that could change science fiction to science fact. NIAC studies revolutionary concepts to figure out how to gain new capabilities and enable missions that are either impossible or too costly today.
NIAC is essential to the future of space. We reach out to those who are captivated by big ideas in that never-ending pursuit of what's possible.
NIAC funds technically credible, visionary space and science concepts from diverse and non-traditional sources, both inside and outside of NASA.
The NIAC program helps give these forward-thinking scientists and engineers the tools and the support they need to spur technology that helps future NASA missions.
NIAC will boldly transform the future and extend the boundaries of what's possible to help NASA write the next chapter of space exploration.